I'd like to talk to you about a new addition. 18 months ago, we launched the SBS, a side-by-side, a 6-stage sharpening system for your workshop. That's 3 diamond grades and 3 leather strops, 3 different abrasives for those strops. Some people might think that's a little much, and in fact it's about a foot long, so it's a fairly sizable bit of kit. What we have done is we've got the son of the SBS, so rather than a 6-stage system, we have a 4-stage system. That's 2 abrasive grades, a 300 and a 1200, and then the strop covers, magnetic strop covers go on the top, and then you're going to put your stage 1 orange wax on at 1800 grit, and then your stage 2, which is going to be 2500 grit. That's more, no, it's still a lot actually. The traditional double-sided diamond stone is going to be 300, 1200 or 300 and 1000 grade, but no automatic or nice strop covers. This bad boy's got 2 strop covers, 2 different grades of honing wax, and 2 diamond plates, 300, 1200, 600, 1200, or 300, 600. That's the combination. Under here, and by the way, we are celebrating our 30th year. We started in 1994, and there we have it, our first ever merch. This is a lint-free cloth, so it means to say that when you're cleaning a diamond stone surface after use, you're not going to have a trail of little bits of cotton left on the diamond surface, because that boy's lint-free. So that comes with the SB2, 2 plates, 2 abrasives to strop on. Oh, and what's this? Quelle surprise. This is I shouldn't be telling you about this. This is a double-sided diamond stone. So strop on a 3-stager, 300, 1200, sits on a rather fetching diamond stone holder, super stable, and it gives you a lovely clearance of about 40 mil, whereby the handle of your chisel isn't going to come in contact with your work because your stone is elevated to a steamy height of about 30 mil. So we're going to stop talking about that because it doesn't actually exist until another 8 weeks time. But we have got the SB2, 4-stage, or the SBS, which is 6-stage. Lube. Environmentally friendly lube. All lube should be environmentally friendly. This has got no oil-based, mineral-based component to it. It protects your tools after sharpening because it obviously is going to leave them rust-free. And that's our unique blend of MPower Tools lube. That's a little bottle, comes with the kit as well. 2 waxes, 2 leather strops, and a partridge in a pear tree. Oh, all coming in this rather fetching tough canvas case. You can also pop your laptop in it. Everybody at work's got one of their laptops in here. Yeah, laptop case comes free with an SB2. So that's the addition to our extended family of freestyle diamond stones, guaranteed for 10 years. They are absolutely lovely, and you should get at least one for yourself and one for your nearest and dearest. Thank you very much.